Hey guys, happy new week. Yes. We woke up to this. How is the weather at your hand? At our hand, this is the current situation. It's snowing and everywhere is cozy, everywhere is cool. But the snow did not stop us from moving. The kids are in school. I'm going out for an appointment and everybody keeps moving. The snow doesn't stop us. Yes, in Switzerland, in Deutschland, in European speaking countries, the snow doesn't stop. Can you see the current situation? May your day be merry and bright. May all your Christmases be white. May your day be merry. This is the current situation. I'm praying that your day will be merry, your day will be bright. I just thought to show you this because this is what we woke up to. Please let me know at the comment section, what's the weather like at your end? What's the weather like at your end? Is it snowing? Is it sunny? Is it raining? What's the weather like at your end? Please let me also know where you are watching from. Let me know if you are watching from Nigeria, from Senegal, from the Philippines, from Macedonia, from Kenya, Uganda. Let me know where you are watching from and let me know what your weather is like this hour. So you might be watching this morning, afternoon, evening, whatever the time is. Let me know. Presently it's a Monday 29th and it's 10:32 by my time. 10:32, yes, 10:32 a.m. by my time, and this is the current situation. God is great. God is great. He's a super God. And as you go into the week, I want you to know that God will make a way where there seems to be no way. And this is Esther's Chronicles TV. If you're watching this is Esther's Chronicles TV. My name is Esther. I usually will put up premieres officially Mondays and Wednesdays, but for other days I still put out videos as the Spirit leads. Wow, this is megally beautiful. Go see, yes, it's Sean, girl.
Yeah.
Super Sean. This is really beautiful. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things bright and wonderful, our Lord God made them all.
Jetzt sind wir in Nürensdorf.
Okay. So guys, this is it. I can go on and on. Let me know if you like seeing videos like this.
Zu Sydney müsstest du da nach hinten fahren.
Okay.
Zu Sydney.
God is good all the time. He put a song of praise in the heart of man. Yes, guys. So guys, I have a premiere later today. Join me if you can by 7:30. Otherwise, you get to catch the replay. It's a beautiful one and a joyful one. See you all in my next video. I love you all.
Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. Esther's Chronicles TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your